Good evening. Today is November 10, 2023 Friday, and here are the 7 p.m. Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SL Sure 3 7 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for November 10, 2023 Friday. Here are the SL Sure 3 7 p.m. result for Mandawi City under Piona Trading and Supply Corporation for Friday, November 10, 2023. Thank you for watching the 7 p.m. video for evening of Friday, November 10, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.